G'day everyone, Wayne here from Wayne's Diecast Cars. In this video we are going to be looking at Auto World 118 Christine, the restoration of an evil 1958 Plymouth Fury. So this model's the partly restored model. So we'll have a look at this. Let's have a look at the packaging first. I'll just get the turntable moving. It's the first video for the year. Been busy with the kids over Christmas and New Year's. Mainly looking after them. Not necessarily going to many places, but we will get there. So yeah, nice model, a little bit different being the partially restored. Got plenty of information on the box there. It's been a while since I've actually watched Christine, the movie. Can't actually. I've been watching bits and pieces of it, but I haven't actually watched the whole movie. Just about how it was made and things like that. I've watched that. I must watch the whole movie there at some stage. Box is a little bit torn up there on the side, just from shipping, I'm assuming. I did get a bunch of these shipped in the one box. So I had to fit them in somehow. Okay, so I'll stop that now. We'll get this open and we'll have a look. Let's unpack now. Let that turn around on the turntable there, so you can have a better look at it. That looks pretty good. I do actually like that. Although, you know, one thing, when they do these partially restored models or just dirty models and things like that, the car will be guaranteed to have a dent in it somewhere. Now that's the only thing I really reckon that they should try and replicate, some dents or rust holes and things like that, just to finish off the look. I know that they'd have to do sort of separate tooling and things like that to actually make it, and that, but I think it would be worth it to have that, the full effect of, you know, something being, you know, damaged or partially restored. Because you're not kind of going to restore a car like this, you know, leave a guard unrestored, put a new door on it, you know, new wheels and stuff like that, and then I think the other side is, yeah, the other side's sort of, you know, unrestored, dirty wheels. You know, you would pull it all down at once and fix it, but you know, I think they need to try in certain models put dents and rust holes and things in them. I think it would look a lot better and finish off this type of model really good. The top's plastic, same as the sides, and all the windows there. It's got all the trim on it, everything's there. Doors open, I'm pretty sure. That one's a bit tight. I think that one's better, I think. Yeah, there we go. So that one opens, or the other one will open too. Inside's all you know, dusted. It's actually got it's got carpet in there, you know, proper carpet stuff, some felt. boot opens, boot or trunk, whichever one you want to call it. That also again is all dusted and dirty. Yeah, lack of chrome on the bumpers. Bonnet opens. It's got all the wiring in there, but I think that is the wiring which would be good if they had have hid that for let me pick that one up. There we go, you'll see it when it comes around. Coming. Hang on. Nope. What's going on? There we go. Now we're working. Awesome. That is cool. Got the headlights. So yeah, it would have been good if they had hid that wiring a bit better. Also, if they had done the brake lights as well, that would have been really good. I bet there's someone out there that'd be certainly good enough to be able to do all that lighting. That would be good to see. Someone could hook that up, but that's not a job for me. My fingers are not going to do what they're supposed to do to get all that wiring hooked up and do things. I would end up breaking stuff and making a mess of it. But fine, headlights not a problem. It certainly looks pretty good. It'll look good there displayed with the headlights on. Not all the time, obviously, but yeah. But definitely, yeah, rolls not a problem. Everything's good there. I'll show you underneath. Close this door. Actually, I'll give you a bit of a look inside there before I close the door. There's a seat. Yeah, seat kind of moves a little bit. Don't want to go moving it too much. You can see in there properly, but got the accelerator and brake pedal. All the dashes there, all the instruments and everything. Nice looking steering wheel. Got the rear view mirror on the dashboard there. They've actually also done the roof in here. Normally you don't really get a lot of roof details in models, but they've actually done roof detail there. Alright, so that's underneath. That's where they've hidden the batteries. This was number 530. Still got the Erdl up there. Some more details if it focuses. Come on, please focus. It's a 2021 copyright date. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. I've got the switch up there. Full detail, exhaust, Don't think, no suspension. The auto trans. I don't know what this. And something sticking out in here. Don't know what that is. Turns a bit sloppy as normal. That's sort of excessively sloppy though. Yeah, not too keen on the wheels there. Just give me a second. Yeah, wheels are a bit sloppy on the front. It doesn't affect it too much when it's just sitting there like that. It's not too bad. Otherwise, I've got a cracked windscreen. I haven't got the original version all fixed up, sort of thing. This is the only Christine I have. Now that I've got this one, I will get the original, so that can go with it. And I think they also had the burnt one too in the 118, I'm pretty sure. So I wouldn't mind getting that. So then I've got all three of them. If I'm right, I'm pretty sure they had the burnt one. Haven't paid too much attention, but I think they do. So anyway, nice model. Would you is it worth getting? I think so. If you're into movie cars, I definitely think it'd be worth getting. Yeah, it'd display pretty good on the shelf or in your cabinet, wherever you try and keep them. I don't generally like displaying my cars unless they're in a dust-free sort of cabinet, or as dust-free as they can be. Dust will get into every cabinet you have, really. Unless it's sort of pressurised from the inside to keep the dust out, well, it's going to get in. But you just give them a wipe down every month or something like that, and they're as good as new. So yeah, so I'd definitely get it. I think they are a nice model, and yeah, look good in the cabinet. If you like the the movie type cars, which I do, definitely like movie cars. I watch a lot of car movies and things like that. Yeah, what did I do? I watched Midnight Spares the other day, which is an Australian car movie. Good old Midnight Spares. There's a lot of the same characters that Running on Empty had in it, and a couple of characters from Mad Max. Yeah. So yeah, love the movies, car movies. So we'll finish up that video there, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. There will be more coming up, just not every day, or maybe not every week, but there'll be more stuff coming up. Life gets a bit hectic here in this household with everything, kids and work and all sorts of other things I've got to do, so I try and fit this in the best I can, so we can show you guys some cars. So yeah, very happy with this one, and we'll see what comes up next. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you all later.